Hey everyone, I'm Amanda and I'm just showing you some of these really pretty polymer clay hair accessories I've made. And you can see that this one that's in my hair, it's black. It's made with all black polymer clay, so it's all black roses. So if you want one that's just all one color, we have that. I also have all white roses, and this one is gold roses with the white background. See if I can get some better lighting here. So you could see those look really pretty. And I've got silver here, and this has actually some sparkles in it, and it's kind of hard to see right now, but the sparkles are actually made into this silver clay, but you can actually make your own sparkles if you get a clay that doesn't have the sparkle you want in it. You could just add some superfine glitter to the clay and mix it in before you bake it, and you'll have some sparkle. And these are yellow, blue, and purple roses, and there's some little white stems and white leaves that I added just to make it look really pretty. These come in handy for weddings. A lot of the brides like the all white roses, so I have the hair barrettes like that. I also have smaller hair clips and hairpins, but right now I'm just showing you the medium-sized barrettes, but I have different sizes and different styles. This is one of my favorites because it has lavender, which is my favorite color, but it also has these purple roses on the end, and it has these pretty green leaves. I actually made a polymer clay leaf cane, and then I made these green leaves with that. I sliced them off, and then I just made them into leaf shapes that I wanted, and I put them underneath this, and it looks really pretty. And then I've got these other just all lavender, if you like that. And then I've got some right here that has the blue and yellow flowers, and I used a leaf cutter to make these pretty green leaves that are attached. And then there's also a couple of tiny blue bellflowers that I added, and I'm from the city of Bellflower, California, which is named after the bellflower, and so they're just kind of sentimental, so I like to make them. Sometimes I add them with the roses and they look really pretty. And then you can also buy just the polymer clay roses from me or make them yourself, and you can use them as decorations for weddings, parties, just a special night, whatever. You can use them, and you can attach them also to things if you want, like candle holders, pins. Mother's Day is coming up, and these also make really nice gifts for Mother's Day. And this is a pink and silver polymer clay pin that I made, and so you could see I really like these colors together. It's got this really nice lifelike pink rose, and then it's got this silver leaf underneath, and it's a nice pin. You could just attach it to your dress, shirt, whatever you want to attach it to. And then there's also smaller sizes if you want a smaller pin. This is a really pretty lavender and pink swirl, and I actually turned this rose into a bead, and I actually just put holes in the side to string like a cord or something through. And you can make beads with these if you want. Here's another one. I just love these colors. And so there's lots of things you can do with these polymer clay roses, and I have a link in the description box to where you can read about how to make these pretty roses out of polymer clay. And I also have a link where you can get to my website and find even more articles about polymer clay and art and stuff like that, and nice pictures. And you can also buy these from my website, amandasoaps.com. So if you decide you want to get some pretty hair accessories, you can just check out my website and they are there. So I'm sorry about the lighting here. My other camera is kind of messed up, so I had to use a smaller one, but I hope you can still see that these are really pretty, and you can just check them out on my website, amandasoaps.com. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.